Globally, smoking is associated with an important increase in the risk factor for various disorders, such as cardiovascular and respiratory diseases, and also infections and cancer. So, tobacco smoke has been considered as a threat to health by the World Health Organization. To help replace conventional cigarettes, various devices have been designed. Among these devices, we find patches, chewing gum, and electronic cigarettes. Electronic cigarettes can use different technologies. Some can vaporize the liquid, and others can eat the tobacco, avoiding the combustion phenomenon. The use of electronic cigarettes spread widely because they have been considered as a way to help with smoking and also a safer alternative than conventional cigarettes. But their safety has never been demonstrated. In the latter years, researchers started to investigate about it and observed the presence of toxic compounds in the vapor generated by electronic cigarettes, compounds that are carcinogenic, such as formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. And exposure to these compounds, even if their concentration is sometimes lower than in conventional cigarette smoke, could lead to the worst scenario. The users of electronic cigarettes usually don't know the risks they're exposed to. And what's really concerning is that the youngs that never smoked conventional cigarettes are appealed to electronic cigarettes, mostly because of their aesthetics and also because of the variety of flavors that they offer. My thesis aim is to investigate the putative toxicological effects of the exposure to the vapor generated by electronic cigarettes. In this way, people could be aware of the risks they're exposed to and choose consciously how to stop smoking conventional cigarettes. Moreover, the government agencies could tutelate health through appropriate laws. Thank you.